Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, the Millennial Investor 1914. Holla at your boy. I wanted to pump out a couple of videos because I'm going to be busy these next couple days, and this, as you see, next week. What I have on the verge of what I plan on doing is, so I start my new job on the 16th. Uh, at a new facility. So shout out to that. So that's why tomorrow I'm gonna finally get my haircut. I'm going to Panama, not Panama, Florida, but Panama in Latin America on Wednesday. So I fly out there and I plan on, I'm all finished packing for my trip to Panama. I'll be out there for about 7 days, and I'm excited about that. Been doing research about that. And then, so what else? I also just recently passed my certification. I got my certification in my PHR for my professional human resource certification. I'm excited, but that's not why you guys are here today. You're not here today about my certification or my new job or even just me going to Panama, even though my channel is the Millennial Investor and Lifestyle. Lifestyle is the traveling part. If you haven't been hiding underneath a rock, what you'll see is that the market has been in free fall. Compared to my net worth was at 125,000, and with every breath of what Trump speaks, my net worth goes down. I've went from 126,000 to 105,000. And my dividend growth portfolio, which is the most important portfolio, my other portfolios they're important in regards to my Roth IRA and my rollover IRA, even though and also my 401k. But imagine all of that has went down. My Roth IRA was at 12,000. My taxable account was in like the upper 72,000. Even my rollover IRA was closer to 25,000. And basically because of Trump and his tariffs have completely wiped away all of my gains. It has wiped away so many gains that uh I've been investing for the past 7 to 8 years, and my gains for the past 2 to 3 years is gone. Let me show you. Year to date, my portfolio is down 18.79% compared to the S&P 500, 13.42%. For this month alone, for this month alone, I am down minus 12.58%. Yes. Yeah. I put $1,800 into the market last week. Didn't know about that. And that was on Tuesday. And then last month, I put an additional $2,000, and still has been going down. Haven't been able to stop the bleeding because my portfolio is predominantly tech with a sprinkle of dividend growth stocks and dividend paying stocks. You receive that dividend and dividend investing portfolio, but for the most part, because of total return, I invest into growth stocks. And what you see right here, man. So I sold a couple stocks today because I want to build up a cash position, because what I plan on doing is in my next video I'm gonna go over with you guys and tell you what I plan on buying and my strategy since the market is down, because as right now I don't know if this the market bottom, but what I plan on doing is I plan on interjecting a lot more money into the market, at least another $7,000 into the market. So I'm planning really big so that I can these next couple moves is going to set myself up at least by my 2030 2028 2030 play, right? But as of right now, I'm selling certain stocks. I sold JP Morgan Chase. I sold VGT. So now I have a cash balance of 4,200. And then I have right here, I have some monkey. I have some money, $2,000 right here on the side that I'm down. I have on the side that I'm gonna let accrue interest, And what I plan on doing is plan on taking like roughly $500 to $750 from this balance per month, added to what I have going on, contributing on a monthly basis, which would be around $1,500. So I can get to around me investing around $2,000 to $2,500 per month for the rest of this year. That's my goal. That's the goal. But the reason why you guys are here is in regards to my dividend growth portfolio. Holla at your boys. Look at the lights. Let the light shine on me. Oh, the halo. But yeah, let me let me get serious. Uh, my dividend portfolio is at 61,000. It was originally at 68,000, but as pretty much with any other portfolio, my portfolio, since my portfolio is predominantly, let's look at my diversification, because my portfolio is predominantly tech. See, I have Broadcom, Microsoft, Nvidia, TSM, plus I have to sell I sold VGT, but I have SCHG and Tesla. You got Tesla and you got Meta. All depending on how you split it up and divide it up, they're still tech plays, right? Magnificent Seven tech plays, and because of that, my uh, portfolio is down a lot. Year to date, I would say I was at 72,000, close to 75,000, and uh, as of my portfolio went up a little bit today, but uh, all overall, my portfolio touched as low as 58,000. I haven't seen 58,000 in over a year. Portfolio balance of 58,000 over a year, and so that again, all my gains for the past 3 years have been wiped. Where it was at one point today where my overall portfolio was it was in the negative 2% RAM, which is crazy, crazy. But we still buying. We still buying. Yes, we're still buying. And we're here to talk about the dividend income that I made for the month of March. Yes, we are. The dividend income that that I made in the month of March was $182. Uh, so how my portfolio goes, it pays in increments of a quarter, right? Of 4 quarters. The last quarter is my highest payment. So what you see is that in other months it's pretty light, but then the last month, that's when I'm pretty much I get paid majority of my ETFs. So you'll see why I received $17.57 from Aflac, $36 from Broadcom. I'm building up this position with Comfort Systems, uh, Go, Goldman Sachs, banking, building up that position right there. Kroger is my road dog. Kroger is the only stock that's up in my portfolio. Meta, I'm definitely building up my Meta position. This Meta stock is a highly volatile stock, high growth stock. Get into the bag. And Microsoft, I have roughly 26 shares in Microsoft. Pays me 22.63 per quarter. I'm looking that hopefully going into this year by the end of September when Microsoft increases dividend, that hopefully it gets around me paying $25 a quarter. I'm hopefully excited about that. I make sure also while shout out with my total return plays, my stocks, that I'm going to continuously forever invest into my SCHD and get this up so I can live off this dividend in the future. And then for what I have is SCHG, which is the Schwab's dividend uh, growth ETF, and I'm just want to let this ETF just grow 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 years. That's going to be my compound growth play. I've invested roughly $10,500 into SCHG, and I just want to continue to let that grow. So that's what we have right here. And real quick, just to show you how it goes. Boom. So this is how everything looked for me receiving the dividends for me receiving dividends and Fidelity. It's one thing for me to show you the dividends that I received and dividend data, my dividend program. But I also like to show my dividends in Fidelity, because guess what? You got to believe. Seeing is believing, and when you show people, hopefully you're able to, when you do it, you're able to show that, so that people can be motivated by your actions. And boom, I'm continuously investing, reinvesting into Aflac, into Kroger, into Microsoft. I received my first dividend from Meta to 2064. So then my next dividend is going to be double. It's going to be about $5, and then we can continue to juice that and get this dividend going. We're gonna juice it. We getting this money. Definitely, I've been getting this money with Broadcom. Also been getting this money as well with SCHD. Right here, I was paid $44.65, but since then I've bought a lot more of SCHD, and we getting this money. And so overall for the month of March 2025, I made over $182 of passive income. And in my next video, I'm going to talk about my plan and breakdown of how I'm going to tackle investing more money. And hopefully we're at the bottom. If not, I'm going to just show you guys my plan so that we hold ourselves accountable, and we in it to win it. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Holla at your boy. Peace.